So this is question 8. It's a trigonometry question. Given that sine of this angle equals to -1/3, where x is in between 45 degree and 90 degree. Find the value of this expression. From the condition, sine x minus 45 degree is actually equals to negative sine 45 degree minus x. That is equal to 1/3. So sine x minus 45 degree is 1/3. And because x is in between 45 degree and 90 degree, so x minus 45 will be in between 0 and 45 degree. We can see from here that, let's say, this is x minus 45 degree. Okay, from the given condition, the ratio is 1:3, so this will be 2 square root 2 using Pythagoras theorem. From here, we know that cosine of x minus 45 degree from here will be equal to 2 square root 2 over 3. We shall find out what is the value of sine x. Sine x, x can be written as x minus 45 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, so sine of a plus b equals to sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. Right? So sine x minus 45 degree is 1/3. So this is 1/3. Sine 45 degree is 1/√2. Cosine is equal to 2 square root 2 over 3. And sine 45 degree is 1/√2. So altogether, we will have 1 plus 2 square root 2 over 3 square root 2. So this is the value for sine x. So 6 sine x minus square root 2 is equal to 6 sine 1 plus 2 square root 2 over 3 square root 2 minus square root 2. So 6 over 3 square root 2 is actually equal to square root 2. Square root 2 plus 2 square root 2 minus square root 2. And this is square root 2 minus square root 2 cancel off. Square root 2 times 2 square root 2, that is equal to 4. So if this is equal to 4, after we square it, this will equal to 16. So 16 is the answer for question 8.